Hi friends, how are you today? This is AJ from Trucker Fam. So today I just wanted to ask you guys a question. If you guys actually want me to do this video or not. So it's just a question for you guys. So a lot of my friends, a lot of my colleagues, a lot of my students, a lot of the people I support in getting to know and how to apply and work have asked me in past that AJ, can you tell us how did you actually manage to get 8 offer letters, right? It's not only one, it's not two, it's actually 8 offer letters. So the story is that when I actually started to apply out of Pakistan to work in Middle East, I was actually able to get offered 8 times, 8 different offer letters from 8 different companies. A couple of them from Oman, a couple of them from UAE, a couple of them from Kuwait, a couple of them from Saudi Arabia. So it was a total of 8 offer letters, and I only chose one. So in this video, I want to share with you guys how actually I managed to get 8 offer letters in the 6 months time span when I started applying from Pakistan. So if you guys really want to know about these 8 offer letters, let me know in your comments. Do subscribe to our channel and like this video so I can actually tell you about how did I get 8 offer letters. So I need to know if you guys are really interested because it's a big story. It's gonna take me like 20-30 minutes to make this video. So if you guys are really interested, then on this weekend I'm gonna make this video and upload it for you guys. So let me know guys. Peace out. AJ here from Tracker Fam. Keep subscribing my channel, keep liking our videos, keep watching. Thank you, and soon I will be putting up a video on my career tips too, so do not miss to see that. Thank you guys. Bye.